In this episode of Valvehouse, we'll be installing a Invidia Q300 catback on my CL9. So since this car was last on the channel, it has gone through a fair bit. It's got new plates, I've done tint all around. I've got 17 by 9 RPF ones, roof wing, weather shield, and then around the front I've also got a Mugen style front lip, plus I've painted the grille.
Jack stands and then put a piece of wood under the jack too. So I'm about to jump under and I'm going to try and unbolt the mid pipe from the cat. It looks a bit rusty, so we'll probably have to end up using a tool that I've got, but I'm going to send it with the 14 first just to see if that'll come off, and then we'll see how we go.
Great success.
It's not that loud for me.
I would definitely. Bang, bang, bang. Thank you for reading.
Got it.
I got it. Right, beautiful. Right, now
Thank God for that.
I'll get the other one.
I'm not agri-duggering. So I end up getting the mid pipe off the cat, so I'm holding it up with my bare hands, as you can see. The whole exhaust is resting in my arms, and then he's going to pop that muffler off back there to make it a bit easier for us. Then we can drop the whole entire exhaust system once we take off them back two hangers. So he's going to get onto it. Hurry up. This is heavy. I feel like getting like really heavy.
Right, there you go.
Alright.
Drop it down.
On my head.
In the bin. So what we're going to do is we're just going to assemble it in sections, just so that's easier. So first off, just going to chuck the gasket on, then the mid pipe.
Hang on, net on this side. Left, yeah.
There we go. I'm just going to chuck it on in sections, and hopefully it shouldn't be too much longer till I've got an exhaust.
So we got mid pipe, and then we got the wide pipe at the back on. Now I just got to chuck the mufflers on, and we're pretty good to go. I'm just going to tighten all these bolts while I'm down here, and then we have an Invidia Q300 on a CL9.
There we go.
Alright, perfect. I've just got to pull it down.
Your arm does not bend like that, Will.
I know.
I can get it on. Just give me a sec. I'll chuck this one on.
No, I got it.
Yeah, do it.
Go over these with me. I'll get up here tight now. Wonder how it will sound, Will.
Final stages.
It's really important you wipe down your pipe. Otherwise, if I put my finger on there, it leaves a fingerprint, and that's going to rust over time with heat. So, extremely important to wipe the pipe down after you're finished working on it. It's loud when you want it, and quiet when you want it. that's going to wrap up this episode. Thanks for coming along and watch us install it. It sounds awesome. It looks awesome. Everything bolted straight up. It's actually not as loud as I was expecting it to be, which is good. You don't want a super loud exhaust. You still get all that intake noise, which is what you want. So great overall quality of the exhaust. I would recommend it to anyone who asks for their CL9. Thanks for watching this episode of Valve House.